In this video, we'll demonstrate how to avoid displaying your number when calling someone on iPhone 15. But before we dive in, I invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn this, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. Ensuring privacy is crucial, and making anonymous calls can be achieved with a simple yet country and carrier-specific code. Different regions and carriers have distinct codes for calling anonymously, and this tutorial will guide you through the process. Whether you're using an iPhone or another phone, this method applies universally. Begin by unlocking your iPhone and opening the dialer. This is the first step towards making anonymous calls. Refer to the comprehensive list of codes provided in the accompanying photo. These codes vary by country and carrier, so it's essential to choose the right one. For instance, if you're in the USA, Canada, or New Zealand, you can use the 67 code. However, if you're in the United Kingdom, the appropriate code is 141. Select the code that corresponds to your location and carrier. Once you've entered the specific code, type the phone number you want to call anonymously. The code ensures that your identity remains hidden during the call. Complete the process by tapping the call button. Your call will now be placed anonymously, providing an added layer of privacy. It's important to note that these codes aren't exclusive to iPhones. They work on other phone models as well. If you found this video helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe with notifications. Your likes and comments inspire us to create more content like this, and subscribing ensures you won't miss our future tutorials. You can find more tutorials and resources at our website, MediaMagnetGuide.com. Stay tuned for more exciting tutorials and tips coming your way.